Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Edeline at maligayang pagbabalik sa aming online learning channel. To celebrate Philippine Independence Day, I would like to share with you a Filipino dessert which is called Turon. It is a deep-fried banana spring roll. Turon is popular snack and street food amongst Filipinos. Okay, to start with, our ingredients for Turon are, we have the spring roll pastry, we have the ripe bananas for cooking oil, we need a frying pan, tongs. So for Turon, we usually use brown sugar inside, but as a healthier option, we will not be using sugar today. Okay, so we have two bananas here that we already sliced, and we also have our spring roll wrapper. So what we do, usually we put some sugar inside, but since we are doing a healthy snack, so we can do like this, and then wrap it in a spring roll wrapper. It's like this. Then we'll do another one. So after we roll the bananas into the pastry, now we are ready to cook. Using the tongs, slowly fry the bananas. So as we are using oil, be sure to practice precaution when frying. Okay, wait until the roll becomes golden brown and you can flip it to the other side. So here is our cooked product. Mabuhay and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.